Better get fucking pissed on.
Well, the crab's gonna get shit on. So.
You're gonna get shit on.
I always thought these were heavies for something. It was here where I said lucky there's no crocs here, because we were walking like out there. The water was like out there. I'll tie up to that tree. The boat was
Yeah,
like
that's
out
right.
What's in there? So that says full water. There's a big crab hole right on the right hand side of this pot, so I'm hoping there's a fucking big crab in it.
Probably step on the cunt.
Oh, there's a crab in it. Look on the top, see? It's in the top, there's a crab in it.
Oh yeah, you can too.
That's actually sick.
Rip her in. We should have filmed when it was landlocked.
Yeah.
Fucking show it, eh?
We're no GoPro, but. Oh! Damn it. Would have been nice though.
Fucking dogs.
Well, they would have been out of that hole then.
Oh.
That was them. We caught the crabs that we've seen. Yeah, how good is this Aqua Master?
Primitive.
Whoa. Big Jen.
The Jennies have been on the bite lately.
Jenny Craig.
Oh, God. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh, there's one good one in there.
There we go. Oh, close.
Yeah, here it is. There's some crabs in that one, eh?
Yeah.
It's a good sign.
First one in the bag. Yeah, they would have been.
Oh, one good one. Good size in.
He's alright.
How did that stick get in there?
We predicted right.
One's good enough. Because I couldn't be fucked filling the cunt. We're around 30 fish to fill.
This is the jackpot.
Let's hope so.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh, I got two.
Yeah.
Oh, we won a three actually.
Pushing you like
Oh,
Oh, zip tied. No.
you know what, guys?
that. Close to on there.
Hang on. Alright, chip in here. Quick.
You cheat.
He'll be close. He'll be.
Ooh. No. Nope.
Dogs.
Wow. Well, they're very close. Give it a couple month or two, and they'll be legal.
So you always check them.
That's right, Liam.
That's right, eh? Running over pots, eh?
That's what I do.
Can't be doing that.
Can't be.
Ripper in.
Oh, look at the size of him. He's a good one. He's a proper one, that one.
Just one good one. That's fine.
That's a good one.
Pull out.
Look at the claw on him.
Hey, just throwing up gang signs for the camera.
He's
Yeah,
alright.
he's a good look. Blue dots here and there. He's full.
The wingspan on him.
Another one.
Feed.
Another one to bite the dust.
You.
The
rain jackets on, boys. Fuck. Here we go. Big yellow ball. Mate, we're getting a major. Not quite a grand, but
on this bank yesterday.
yeah, that's right.
Pretty high.
Oh, fuck.
He's a good one.
Fuck yeah.
He's a good one.
He'll go.
He's a good one.
Fucking you. Holy shit.
He's got that northern top crab colour to him.
The spots on his
See how he's got the greeny turquoise coming?
You guys are right.
Fuck, that's a good one. That's like the ones you get up north.
Maybe.
It's not the ones you get here.
Maybe one, but fuck, he's a goodie.
Oh shit!
Did he slide at the hole?
Nah, it's that Jesus, he...
Oh, lucky last. Good day.
Oh god.
Far out, that's fucking atrocious.
That's so good.
Why is it foam?
Oh, it's from the old boat. Racing today. Racing big break.
Oh, fuck.
It's good. I can't wait to rip in.
Oh, fuck. Can't even see the fucking trees, man.
It's gonna be fun.
You on there?
Don't know.
They're all big claws.
They're all pretty close, hey?
Like,
There's 2 ringies in there. We'll chuck them out. Get a ring on them. Definitely. They're all... This one's legal.
couple wingies. Okay, he might go close then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah, he's alright.
Fuck.
He's much better than that.
Yeah, fucking hell.
This one,
Get that. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
Big cunt. Holy shit.
He can't be under there.
Can't be. No way.
He's definitely good, that one.
Holy shit.
He's definitely good.
He's a goodie. He's fucking on the prowl. Fuck. Fuck me dead. Oh, probably no hope for this one then, eh?
Hold on.
Yep, look, it's fucking open.
Yep. Told you. I don't fucking know.
Cum would have had fucking muddies in it too, that's the thing.
Oh, fuck yeah. Grubs. Nothing. That's where we've been checked too.
100%. Felt like it was on a fucking tree. That crab already. Jenny. Jensen. Nah. Fucking. Oh shit. Come on.
Another Jenny.
Jenny.
Another crab in there.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Well, they do see the best of last, don't they?
Fuck yeah. all the time.
Did not expect that.
Neither.
Also, he was the one I was out and about, but he's good. Last double checks. He's fucking shit in there.
Oh shit.
Much better crab, that one.
We'll eat. Best till last. Beautiful.